Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your relationship status on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our Facebook app. And now to hide your relationship status on Facebook, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there. You can see the see your about info option available over here on the bottom of your screen. Tap on there, and after that scroll down, you will see the relationship over here. Now if you want to hide the relationship status on Facebook, just tap on edit, and now on the top right corner of your screen you can see the public up here. Just tap on the down side arrow of it, and now you can see these three options available. You can tap on friends if you want to show it to friends, and if you don't want to show your relationship status on Facebook to anybody, tap on only me and hit save again. And if you want to share it, you can share it on Facebook, but if you don't want to share it, let's tap on the cross on the middle section of the screen, and you can see the only me appear over here. That means your relationship status is hidden on Facebook. And there guys, this is how you hide the relationship status on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.